In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a YouTube subscribe button in WordPress. You can see that this is my YouTube channel, and I want to add the subscribe button to my WordPress website. Adding a subscribe button creates synergy between your online platforms. It encourages visitors to explore both your website and YouTube channel. The first step in order to do so is to visit the site to generate a YouTube subscribe button. Simply search for the YouTube button on Google Developer. And this is the URL that we need to visit. I'll mention the site link in the description. You can get it from there. On the subscribe button generator page, you can customize your subscribe button. You need to enter the channel ID here. Now, where do you get that from? Just go to your YouTube account and go to Settings from here. And then under Advanced Settings, you can find the user ID as well as the channel ID. As we need a channel ID here, simply copy the channel ID from your YouTube account. Paste it here, and you can set the button layout here. You can also see the preview here. The theme can also be selected from here. You can select accordingly. If you want to show the subscriber count, you can do that as well. Now the code has been generated for your YouTube subscribe button. Simply copy the code from here and move it to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Posts and click on All Posts. I'll simply edit an existing post. You can create new as per your need. We need to switch to text editor here. In the editor, paste the HTML code you copied from the YouTube subscribe button generator page. You can paste it wherever you want the subscribe button to appear within your content. And once you're done, let's preview the changes. On scrolling a little, you can see the subscribe button in action over here. And this is how easy it is to add a YouTube subscribe button in WordPress. Now, if you want to learn how to display your YouTube feed in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.